Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to lock your Facebook profile. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to open your Facebook application and make sure you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Here, what you're going to do is you have to simply tap on your profile and go to your profile page. Now here on your profile, you need to tap the three dots icon next to edit profile and scroll down here. You will see the option lock profile. All you have to do is to tap it. You will see a screen that explains what happens when you lock your profile. Once you're done, then all you have to do is tap lock your profile again to confirm. Now, if you go back to your profile, you will see this lock icon, and this means that you have successfully locked your profile. So what happens when you lock your profile? Only friends can see your photos, post stories. Your profile and cover photo are still visible, but in smaller and limited view. Only a portion of your about info is visible to strangers. Timeline, review, and tag review are automatically turned on. So basically, this is how easy it is to lock your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.